So today's video, we're gonna be unboxing my holiday presents, and I know we are in the middle of January. What am I doing unboxing them now when I've gotten some of these sitting in my apartment for over a month? And it's kind of a long story, but there's a reason for that. So over Christmas break, I was super sick. I've honestly, I don't ever really fall sick in that kind of way at all, but I was stuck in bed. I just came back from Nigeria, which you guys will probably see on one of my more recent YouTube videos too. And I wanted to make sure that I was all fully in the clear to travel as well. So it was kind of a lot of back-to-back travel. Beginning of December, I was in Paris with the Chanel team, which you guys have seen that in a previous video too. And then I come back, fall sick for the rest of the month. New Year's Eve, traveling to Nigeria, and now I am finally settled back in New York City. And even that's not gonna be for a long time because New York Fashion Week is right around the corner, and then Milan and Paris, and we're basically hitting 2023. We're hitting the ground running, and I am so excited for this year. I hope you guys are too. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so for starters, we have something from Jimmy Choo. There are 2 boxes in here. I'm so excited to see what's in here. So let's give it an open. So in this first bag, we have something that looks like a purse. Have you guys seen these bonbon bags? Oh, this is so cute. And I don't know if you guys saw also a video that I did late last year, kind of going over the hot pink fashion trend. This color, this shade is everywhere right now. And it's actually the color of the year for 2023. So it's just such a fun color. It does actually look like a Christmas ornament. And we're gonna see what's in the other box. Oh my gosh, you guys. I got a pair of shoes literally to match the bag. Oh, this is incredible. Look at these. So beautiful. So it's these literally go together. And so I guess a question would be, how would I style these? Obviously this pink is such a wow color, and I think it's the perfect party set. I would probably wear these. I think these would look absolutely stunning with a white or an off-white cream colored dress. Right? Are you guys seeing the vision? Are we seeing the vision? Another thing that I am noticing here, the bag has kind of that gold handle. So I think anything that has kind of a gold embellishment to it would also be a really pretty way to pair these. Thank you so much, Jimmy Choo. These are incredibly special. Moving swiftly along, we have something from Dolce & Gabbana, which I'm also super excited about. Since before I ever even got into fashion, I've always been such a big fan of all of these really traditional Italian prints that Dolce & Gabbana always incorporates into their fashion and their homewares and all of that. And what they got for me for Christmas, it looks like it's a kettle or a coffee maker. Let me see, it's all in Italian, which I do not speak. So let's see what we've got here. From this brand called Bialetti, and it's a collaboration with Dolce & Gabbana, Mocha Express, and it makes 3 cups of espresso. I guess it's a mini espresso, maybe a French press, Italian press situation. You know what? When I get around to using this, I'm gonna post a TikTok showing how I use my little Dolce & Gabbana espresso maker to make my morning coffee, and you guys can see it. But how adorable is that? That's such a cute little counter accessory, and it actually goes really well in my kitchen. So adorable. Thank you so much, Dolce. So cute. Okay, so over here up next we have something from a beverage company. I am a tequila girl through and through. I've been a tequila girl for years. I can't do vodka, I can't do rum, I hate dark liquors. So tequila has always been my girl. And Cali Rosa sent this really fun holiday gifting package, and inside it we have a bottle of the Cali Rosa tequila, which is a really unique brand because their tequila is literally like a rosé. Okay, I'm wearing black so you guys can't see, maybe against the white wall you can see. It's almost like a rosé kind of color. And then along with that, we have some glassware to add to my collection, and it's got little Cali Rosa logos on it. So it's just a really cute holiday set here. So that's gonna be a part of my next cocktail hour, I think. Amazing. Thank you so much, Cali Rosa. Okay, up next we've got a gift from Todd's. Let's see what's inside. You guys know that Todd's show is one of my favorites from last season in Milan. Gearing up to go back to Milan next month, so I'm really, really excited about it. Oh my gosh, I feel fur. Whoa, this is major. Look at that. They're like made of shearling, but it's like the softest, like this cream off-white boot. So here we have them. You guys are gonna see these styled on my Instagram very soon. Right now I'm just unboxing everything for you guys to see and for me to see for the first time. But here are the boots. This is gonna be so fun to style. Let me know how you guys would style these boots too. Up next we have something from Tom Ford Beauty. Tom Ford, all the good stuff. We have the oud wood candle. Oh my god, I love an oud fragrance. They're just so good. I'm sure this is gonna be incredible in my place, and it's a big candle too. So you know this is gonna burn for a nice amount of time. And then to match, we have the oud wood fragrance as well. So just a really, really nice set to add to my fragrance collection. So thank you so much to the Tom Ford Beauty team. All right, so up next we have this set from the Ralph Lauren team. I am guessing it's going to be a fragrance because I've done so much work with their Polo Ralph Lauren fragrances, especially around the holiday season. We've got the iconic Eau de Toilette. I think this is, let's see. Yeah, it's a good one. Is it unisex or is it for men? Either way, it's going to be a good gift for my dad or brother. And then along with that, oh cute, a nice little travel duffel. And it's a big duffel bag too, so it's gonna fit a lot. Just a really nice weekender bag. How cute is that? And I love the logo across the front. Thank you so much, Ralph Lauren. This is really cool, actually. All right, how many more do we have? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're almost there. Okay, this one would probably be a gift that you guys are somewhat familiar with. So you guys know every year Louis Vuitton has their advent calendars, but their advent calendars always come with a little bit of a twist because they have an ongoing partnership with UNICEF, and so for every person that they're sending a holiday advent calendar to, they're also making a donation to UNICEF in our names. So again, they just sent a note that talks about that. So we've got just a really nice big Christmas setting, so cute. And then, as you guys know, in each of these settings, oops, you guys can't see, in each of these settings there's like an ornament. This year they're made of wood. Cute. So they're like just this nice set of ornaments that you can just add to your trees. Let's keep pulling this up for you guys to see. But these are so pretty this year. Wow. I don't want to open up all of them, but you guys, if you watched my last year one, you've seen these already, so you kind of have a general sense of what is going on in here. But it's going to be a set of, I believe, 24 ornaments, all with like the Louis Vuitton logo and different like ornaments that you can add to your tree. And these ones are like really, really pretty this year. One of the things that I've been really passionate about forever, honestly, like even before I started my creator journey online, but it's just been really standing on this platform of education, and I just think it's really, really special that Louis Vuitton is partnering with UNICEF, which really is driven to take care of the healthcare needs and educational needs of children. I think that it's something that is so important. It's a big part of my family's story too, so I'm always so grateful for these gifts from Louis Vuitton. I know a lot of people would have loved to have gotten the bags or the shoes and all of that kind of stuff, but really, like, when you think about what the holiday season is all about, it really is about moments like these, like giving to people who really need it the most. The bags and shoes are always nice, but taking the time to think about those who are less fortunate or may need help in other ways than you do is really, really what the holiday season is all about. Okay, so here in this box, we have something from Christian Louboutin. From Christian Louboutin here, we've got a small box, a medium box, and a big box, all from the Louboutin team. Let's see what's inside. Oh, this like ruby red little mini bag. And oh yeah, that's nice. It's actually like, and it has a keychain attached to it, so it's actually a really nice key holder. No, hold on. It gets better. No. It gets better. Do you see this? You know what this is? All my dog owners, this is a roll of poop bags. So this is not for me. This is for Willie. I didn't get a holiday gift. Willie did. Willie, you want to see our little gifts from Louboutin? These are for you. Yeah, these are for you. You're gonna look so fancy on your next walk. I feel like very soon I'm gonna need to do a video lookbook of all of Willie's accessories, because I swear to God, he is like, I think his wardrobe is fancier than mine. I feel like we're gonna stay on theme here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what do we have? We've got a leash. We have a leash for you. Don't act like you're not impressed. Come back here. And it's in that Louboutin signature ruby red. You like it? What do you think? We're gonna have to do like a cute little outfit of the day for you soon. All right, and then the last one. Last but not least, you have a collar. Nice little collar for my little Willie boy. Ooh, this one looks a little bit long. We might have to go in and get some more holes in it. No, it's good. It's good. So cute. You are a stylish little dog. Thank you so much, Christian Louboutin. This is like so special. And Willie says thank you too. Don't you, buddy? All right, so he's gonna hang out here, I guess, for a bit. Next up, we have a gift from Longchamp. How cute is this? You guys know, like, the Longchamp, like the pliage silhouette. Let me just make sure I know what's going on here. Ooh. So inside the bag, okay, we've got crossbody stitch. And then it looks like probably like a Christmas ornament in here. This makes me so sad that I missed Christmas this year. I got so many good ornaments and I didn't have the chance to enjoy them. But now I've got so many like for next year. So this is super cute. Thank you so much. Alrighty, so last but not least, we've got this bag, or sorry, this box that's been hanging out since the beginning of this video. Oh gosh. In the Dior box is a Dior bag. This one's kind of heavy. I feel like this is homeware, just based on how heavy it is. Let's see what's inside. You ready? We have glassware from Dior, and it's stunning. I don't know. Okay, here, let me grab this bag so you guys can kind of see what is so special about this glassware. Okay, so I'm sure you guys are familiar with the Lady Dior. Just the outer stitching, the pattern that's on it. Just had to show you the bag so you guys can see the glasses that literally matches that same Lady Dior pattern. And this crystal, it's a gray day outside right now, and this is like still so sparkly in person. Beautiful. And so it's a set of 2 along with this mini carafe top there. So you've got that and 2 glasses, all in that beautiful Lady Dior patterning, and it is absolutely stunning. So beautiful. Thank you so much, Dior. Oh my God, I'm so excited. All right, guys, so that's pretty much everything. I think I might have missed out a few gifts, honestly, that are in the other room. I already know offhand one of them is from Dior Beauty, but I did open that one up. Whether you guys are in this video or not, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to all the brand partners that have been so incredible to me all throughout last year. Beyond excited for such a special new year and to share all of that with you guys as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna come to a close on this video, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.